Hey guys, this is Michael with Quiet Lawn and Neon Pest Control. I hope you're doing well. I've missed you guys. It's been several months since I made a video, so I wanted to do an update video. I also wanted to let you know that I have several other videos that I'm making, and that I'm going to be more active with making videos, at least here for the next short while. But first, where have I been? I've still been here. I have been a lot less involved with Quiet Lawn and Neon Pest the last, say, 5-6 months. I've had some personal stuff, both good and bad, I've been dealing with. I've lost 30 plus pounds since the last video that I've made, so I've been trying to really focus on getting myself healthier. I feel a lot better. My energy is a lot higher. These last 5 years or so, I've really been low on energy. I've really had struggled to keep weight off. A lot of it's the stress, a lot of building a business, of growing a family, the stress of just life in general, as well as just getting older. I just turned 40, so that's kind of the normal thing at my age. So I made some major changes with my diet and exercise routine, and some other stuff. So I've one of the things I've been doing is focusing on my health, trying to get very active again. Other thing that I've been doing is focusing on my kickboxing school, my martial arts school called Crush Kickboxing. We've doubled the size of that business here in the last 6 months, and I'm spending a lot of my time there teaching classes 5 nights a week. So that's been really good, really positive. As far as Quiet Lawn and Neon, I've had very little involvement. That's good and bad. It's good in the respect that I've built my business to a point where I could get away with that. I have good people in place that were able to run the business and keep it operating, while I basically buried my head in the sand and did the other stuff that I dealt with, the personal stuff I was dealing with the other business. But now it's time for me to come back. It's time for me to put some more focus back into this business. I've left my team without leadership. Ibrahim and some of the guys. So dealt with the stuff I need to deal with outside of this business, and now I'm ready to get back involved. I don't mean out in the field. I don't want to be in the field. I have no desire to do that. But I want to get back as far as a leadership role, as far as meeting, as far as problem solving, as far as dream casting to the team, the vision that we want to build. It has been a tough year in different ways. I'll explain that in another video. But I just wanted to kind of let you guys know where I've been. I've had good things going on, bad things going on, but everything's heading in a positive direction. I'm excited to be excited again. The business, building a business is tough. These last 4 years have been really tough, especially after COVID. It's been tough with labor. All of you guys know, if you're in the business, it's been it's been very frustrating. The inflation is really tough. It just took a big toll on me, and I kind of got burnt out with my business these last couple of years, as I've mentioned in other videos. And as a result, I kind of buried my head in the sand and kind of just hid away. And the negative to that is I kind of left that burden on the shoulders of Ibrahim and some of my other team. So I need to get back in here, need to get involved. But yeah, everything's been good. Health is getting better. My health has gotten tremendously better since the last time I spoke with you guys. My other business is doing well, growing well. That business is really giving me the discipline and focus that I was missing for years. When I was younger, I've been doing martial arts since I was 15. It was a big part of my life until I was probably around 30, and it gave me. There's a lot of benefits that came from it: the confidence, the self-discipline, just the work ethic, physical health in general. Being exercising constantly, keeping yourself in shape, keeping yourself flexible. I'd missed all that, so that has been a big contributor these last couple of years to my overall health and my mental health and my drive. So I'm looking forward to making another push, pushing this business to the next level. fixing the things that we need to fix that I've talked about in other videos, and that we just need to fix in general, and building the business that a beautiful business that's going to be great for our team. It's going to create opportunity for them, and it's going to be great for me as the owner, and just like I said, building a better business and better life in general. But I appreciate you guys all watching. I'm sorry that I haven't gotten any content out. I do want to start making some more content about educational stuff. I know my videos are boring, but I know there's a lot of the audience that enjoys learning from my mistakes and failures, and the lessons that I've learned in building our business to the size that it is, which is still small. But I appreciate you guys watching. Look forward to hearing your comments. Look forward to getting back with you. And I hope you've all been well. I look forward to hearing how you've been. Please leave comments below. Let me know how your year's going, how you're doing. And I'll be talking to you a lot more in the near future. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.